Hello ladies and welcome to week 12 of online learning. In this video we're going to discuss the agenda for week 12 as well as the tips for vocabulary learning. In other words, we're going to discuss how to memorize the new vocabulary, how to learn more words with less efforts. So kind of interesting video, isn't it? So first of all, you will have the types of events and catering vocabulary quiz. This quiz will help you to memorize new words. So you'll have 60 minutes, 20 or 17 questions, and about 30 new words. So first of all, you will have the types of events and catering vocabulary quiz. This quiz will help you to memorize new words. So you'll have 60 minutes, 20 or 17 questions, and about 30 new words. As you can see at the beginning of the quiz, you have the link for the dictionary, which you should use throughout this quiz. The dictionary will help you to learn the pronunciation of the word as well as the translation. Don't use Google Translate because it will not give you the correct pronunciation and the translation that you need for your exams. Use Cambridge Dictionary. Here, for example, the word wedding, you can listen to pronunciation.
Wedding.
Wedding.
And you can read the translation in Arabic. Again, the problem of Google, it gives too many colloquial options, and we are talking about business English, so use business dictionaries. While learning the words, you have three most important tricks. First of all, you need to have a picture in front of you, and here you have it. Then you need to have the dictionary with the translation. I've uploaded for you the dictionary. You should have it open by now. And three, you have to have notes. So physical notes, pen and paper, where you will write down the word, the translation. You can draw a picture if it helps you. So later on, after you complete this quiz, you can use your notes to repeat the words. While looking at the picture, you need to think what comes to your mind. So you see people are wearing business clothes, business attire. It means that is business events. Now they have food and they are in the room. Plus they have the waitress. So probably it is a restaurant and they are business people at a meeting. So we are talking about something connected to business. Going on, looking attentively at three key words: holiday event, birthday party, and corporate event. You know what holiday is, you know what birthday is. So your answer is corporate event, something connected to business. Now you just need to check what it means. You type the word into the dictionary, you listen to pronunciation.
Corporate.
Corporate.
And you read the explanation related to a large company, business. So business event, that is your answer. Another tip that will help you to improve your English is describing everything that you see in front of you. So you have a look at the picture and you start talking to yourself. Speak out loud. It will help you to improve your pronunciation. We have a room, a big room. We have many people. So the people are looking at the screen. Obviously, we have a speaker. So that is a big business meeting or a corporate meeting, a corporate event. We've just discussed the word corporate, means business, big company. Now we have three options: wedding, anniversary, conference. You know the word wedding, probably you don't know the word anniversary. So we type it in the dictionary. and we read the translation. So that is a special day when you celebrate something.
Anniversary.
Anniversary.
So going back here, it doesn't look like it's anniversary because we do not have any number. Now conference. So a large meeting. We listen to pronunciation.
Conference.
Conference.
And we read the translation into Arabic. So coming back to our picture, what can we see here? Conference. Also, after you choose the word and you know the translation, use your notes, write down the word in English, the pronunciation and the translation into Arabic. Use Arabic as a support language. After you have completed the first quiz, you will get the list of 25 to 30 new words with translation and pronunciation, which you will have to use in event and catering reading. So you will have mini text about catering and event, type of catering, type of events, where you will have to answer the questions. Again, you will need to follow the instructions and you will need to use the dictionary. You'll have 100 minutes to complete this quiz. You have to concentrate on key words. Key words are the most important words in the sentence. So the words that show you what, why, how. In other words, these are nouns, verbs, adjectives. Before you start reading the text, you read the question. When the customer have an event in the restaurant, it is called on-premises catering. Now we find the keywords. Event in the restaurant. So what? Event where in the restaurant. It is called. Called means name. On-premises catering. You need to answer true or false. Now you rephrase the question for yourself. On-premises catering means event in the restaurant. You got your questions, you got your keywords. Now you start reading. We have on-premises catering. Customer come to the restaurant for a special party or meal. So customer come to the restaurant, our keywords in the restaurant for a special party or meal. Party means event. So event in the restaurant is on premises. Your answer is true. Menu. Again, before reading, you have to pay attention to the question. Read the question for key words. Why platters are great for off-premises events. So we need to understand why, what, platters. Platters means appetizers. Are great for off-premises events. Off-premises events are events that are happening outside restaurants, in the parks, gatherings, different picnics, and stuff like that. So you need to think why appetizers are perfect for picnics and events in the parks. So we start reading. You read through the text, you translate every single word you don't know, you listen to pronunciation, you write them down, and you find your key words. So here we have platters such as fruit and cheese, shrimp cocktails, are easy to prepare and transport if you are catering off premises. So platters, easy to prepare and transport off premises. Here is your answer. Platters are easy to prepare and transport. Don't lose any words. Now we have a look at our answers. They look nice. We don't have anything about it in the text. Everyone likes them. We don't have anything about it in the text. They are easy to prepare and transport. Here is our answer. You will also have the questions like this. Determine event signage means. So you need to read the text and you need to understand what this particular phrase means. In this in this type of questions, every word is a key word. So determine, event, signage, means. Here we have to work with the synonyms. And here you need the dictionary. So you go to each single word. Determine. You translate the word, you listen to pronunciation.
Determine.
Determine.
To control or influence, to decide. So determine means three things, or it has three synonyms. To control, to influence, to decide. If you don't know some of these words, you just click it and you automatically go to the dictionary. You can also use English-Arabic dictionary. After we've checked the synonym for each word, we should have something like that. Determine, control, event, party, signage, list of guests. So control the list of guests. You know the synonyms, now you read the answers. You should agree on the details how to control the amount of people in the event. You should check the list of guests. You should have all the details about the guest. We start with the keywords. Details about guests. Guest is right, but you have nothing about the details. Signage means the list of guests. You should check the list of guests. Okay. Determine the event signage. Looks like it, but we have to check the other option. You should agree on the details how to control the amount of people in the event. So here you have the word control. So you should agree on the details how to control the amount of people in the event. Determine means agree to control. Agree on the detail how to control. And here is your answer. After you complete the quiz, you'll have all the questions with answers in front of you, and you will be able to see what was right and what was wrong. If you have any questions, you have to message me or comment below right under the quiz, or send me an email. Email is right now on your screens. There are no bad questions. Whatever is not clear should be asked. Don't feel afraid and don't feel ashamed if you don't understand something. That is the process of learning. The more words you learn now, the more professional terminology you understand now, the easier it will be for you later. Have a great week.